In this video, I'm going to explain how you can request payments on Payoneer. So first we want to go to our account activity, and here we can look at our payment requests sent. So if we select it, here you will see a comprehensive list of all of your sent requests for payment. But if you want to make a new one, all you have to do is click on this button right here, request a payment. And then it will ask you for some more information. So your government issued photo ID should already be confirmed, but before you actually request a payment, you will have to set up a business profile if you haven't done this already. So if you haven't done this already, you want to set up a business profile, which they have to approve. And then basically, if you want to request a payment from then on, then you have to fill in the information why you are requesting the payment from the person or institution, and then at the bottom you will see a button to request the payment. So you just gotta click on it, and after you have filled in the information, you will have successfully requested a payment, which you can track in the account activity payment request sent section. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.